Good day, puppy lovers. Today I have Milo with me. Look at the camera, honey. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this groom. Let's get this little one all cleaned up. I'm going to give him a bath. And then we're going to go give him a dry. I'm going to clean out those eyes. Look at that little face. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. For those who don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010. And feel free to join the memberships if ever you want to watch the full grooms of these little dogs. I only groom tiny little dogs like this, 20 pounds and under. Let's give him a nice little rinse. Good boy. He does such a good job. Yes, he does. All right, let's get you to the table. Milo can be a little squirmy wormy sometimes. Yep. There you go. Give him a dry here. Oh, really? I'm going to give him a little light spray with my conditioning spray here. Not too much, not too much. Anything in your little eyes? Let's see what's going on with your little eyes. Oh my God, you got a poopy there. You got another one there too. Oh, he got two big poopies. Let's clean those little eyes here. After you take those poopies out, you got to clean the eyes. Yeah. This is just around. Oh, what's that? There's more here. Ooh. Now I'm going to clean his ears. I'm just using a little round here. I'm going to use one side of the round for one ear and the other side for the other ear. So I really drench this nice and well with the product. I don't need to pluck his ears. Maybe I'll take a little out. Hang on. All right. Well, I'm not going to pluck. I'm going to shave. I'm just going to take some of that hair. See how long that is? I'm just going to turn this and shave that out. See? Shaved it all out. I'm going to add a little alcohol to this shaver to do the other ear also. Let's look at the other ear. What's going on in there? Hang on. You have any in there? Not much. Not much. Just a little. Let's get in there. I'm just turning and shaving. I'm not sticking, do not stick this in the dog's ear. It's just on the side like this. So ears are all clean. Be sure, remember guys, we flip the pad around to do the other side. You don't use the same side. So let's give you a dry, all dry. There you go, all dry. What's the next step, guys? Let's do some pad shaving. There you go. So, I'm using a 30 blade for the pads. Going in nice and softly. You don't want to shove that into the toes. You got to just lightly hold firmly, but lightly pass on top of those little toes. That's what you want. You want to see those toes. No, he's a squirmy guy. Yes, you are. Hang on, Milo. Okay, then we're going to stand. Can we stand for this? Sometimes you gotta... No, not really. No, Milo. Milo. Hang on. Try to do it from up here. From over here. No, it won't work. It's true. Groomer's helper, it says, after him. Hang on, that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the groomer's helper. Is that it? He's tough at nails, so we're going to use the groomer's helper. Are you going to be mad at me if I do that? Is that a no? Did you say no? No, I was just shaking my head. Okay, so I'm going to try the groomer's helper. I don't usually use the groomer's helper with him, but he's giving me a tough time. Okay, groomer's helper is just It just helps the groomer. So I just put the lead on his neck, just like the other one. And I just pull this here. And this is just going to stop him from, you know, turning. And he might fight this. If he fights too much, I'm going to take it off. I just want to try to get a little bit of this off so he can let me work, okay? That's all it is so he can let me work. You're all good. You got to secure your dog. Tell him he's all good. He or she. No, no, honey. And some dogs, they're fine with the left foot, but they're not fine with the right one for some reason, or the contrary, or the back foot, or both back feet, you know? They all have their different little quirks. He doesn't seem to enjoy having... No, 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 you're all good, you're all good, you're all good, Milo. It's okay. I'm just touching you. It's all good. No, no, little one. He has, like, it's gummy here. Milo, Milo, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Milo. Calm down. Wait. No, wait. It's just a touch. I'll go in with my scissors. He doesn't like the clipper at his feet at all. You gotta be really careful with scissors because you don't want to cut their pad. All right, I got it. I got it. You're good. You're good. Let's do your nails. Let's do your nails. Yeah, those yawns, that's a yawn saying that he's annoyed with this situation. It's not because he's tired. When they're stressed out or they're like, they don't want something, they may offer a yawn. So let's see here, Milo. You can just snip. Here, I'll use the little kitty nippers, okay? Those nails are pretty short already. There's nothing to cut there, really. They're all very short. So either he's been walking around a lot, or Mom just did them. They don't look freshly cut. No, there's nothing to cut back here. Can I see your front feet? You're lucky. You didn't have to have those toes done. No, 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 no. You're all good. No, Milo, no. Let's use the bigger ones here. No. He's just pulling, guys. He's not in any pain. He's tied there, and he just doesn't want this. We're not taking a lot off, honey. No. Look at him. He's going to fight this one a lot. He's going to fight this one a lot. I got to check out your thumbs also. No, Milo. Okay. When they get really, really tough like this, often I might even ask Mom. Or you know what I'm going to do? Because he's so tough. When they're tough, hang on. When they're tough and they're pulling like that, it's really hard to, you know, you're going like this. You can really cut the dog. So I'm going to go in with a soft Dremel and see if that's going to work. Milo just fights me. Milo. Tough at nails is more than, it's more than tough at nails, huh? No, you're okay. Okay. You know, all right. We'll do this with Mom then. We'll do this with Mom. See the yawn? That's it. All right, so he gave me a little bit of a fight. I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to do his nails with Mom holding him. Sometimes that helps, that works. And the reason why I'm stopping, of course, is I don't want him to get hurt. I don't want, look at him, he's tired. He's been struggling. I don't want to push him. So we'll do this with Mom. You little Milo. Sometimes I can get them done. Sometimes I can't. So today, I couldn't. So Milo gets a 10 millimeter today. It is the, well, bluish, purplish, yeah, more blue. Andis comb number 2, and that is a 3/8 inch that will be left on his body. I'm going to show you how, those who haven't seen me do this before, I'm going to show you just the X pattern that I do on the body. So instead of just clipping downwards like this, like that, I'm going to be doing an X. So I'm going to come and do this way, and then I'm going to come in and do the opposite way. And I find that it just blends in a lot nicer. So we're going to just clip to the right, everything to the right. And this in general is for these types of coats that are like more like a hair, right? Like a drop coat. This is what I'll be doing for this type of hair. I'll come in and I can use a comb or a brush. I'll fluff everything back up. And then maybe come in a second time. And the same thing this way too. So see how you'll have a better finish. See, it looks a little more natural. I just wanted to let you guys know also that I have a second channel. It's called Backyard Gardening with Liz. And I'm sharing my huge backyard garden that I just started this summer. And I'm building it from the ground up. I'll have a good few years of work to do because there are so many flowers and so many different things I want to do. I want to create a pond and maybe a little stream or something like that next year, but a lot got done this year. So if you want to see, I upload these videos every Sunday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, come in and join me over there and we can, I'm going to share my garden with you. So I'm going to go ahead and use a 13 millimeter, which is the orange Andis comb. It's the number 1 1/2 inch. I'm going to use this reverse coming in this way. Take this off here. Go right from behind the head, right where the occiput is, and come right down. I will pull some of his skin back. Ooh, not much pull there. To try to get a little bit of the front a little more. And you can do it this way if you prefer, but I'm just, you know, it scares me to get that in their eye. So I've been doing it this way for years, so I'm fine like that. Are you still angry with me because I tried to do your toes? Huh? Can I just do this around your toesies like that? Like to lift the foot off the table. You can either lift it or keep it on the table when you're doing this part. This is just how I like to do it. If they won't let me do it, I will put the foot down. If the dog is older and has arthritis or whatnot and is having trouble holding himself up, that's how I'll do it also. I'm just cutting around, honey. Just around like that. There, you're okay. You're okay. I'm not touching your nails. There. This is the one that I have trouble with. I always have trouble with that one. So we're going to leave his foot down. He doesn't want? Fine. I'm not going to fight you on this. See the yawn again? I don't know if you saw that yawn. He gave me another yawn. Can I hold like this? Just like this? Let me do that. And if you'd let me do my job, it'd be a whole lot easier for everyone. All right. Well, now I'm going to do a little bit of scissoring over comb, which I usually only do on dogs that have straight hair like this, just to blend in. On the leg here and the bum. I'm only cutting the tips. And it looks a lot nicer. It looks better. So if there's anything specific that you would like me to show, just let me know in the comments below. Just write down what it is that you would like to see, anything specific. So when I do my next video, I'll try to get that done at the same time, and I'll give you a shout out so that you'll know that I did it for you. So yeah, just let me know. Just give me that comment and I'll try to get that done in the next video. If not, it'll be the video after. So yeah. So this leg is tough to do. Okay. So you got to go slower with him with this leg. So I'll just hold his leg lightly. See the more yawns? That's an annoyance. No, the yawns are not an annoyance. I'm an annoyance to him. He's annoyed with me. There. Got a little bit of hair here. What I'll do to be able to hold that leg, sometimes I just pulling, like you just hold, see how he's pulling? And then you try to work and he's just doing that. Just come in and hold the elbow instead. Keep that leg out straight. Hang on, hon. See how he's fighting me? No. Wait. Milo. So I'll try just a few times, and if it won't work, I'll have to try a different way. I just wanted to take that off. You're so complicated. I'm not complicated. You're just too annoying, lady. I'm so sick of it. I come here regularly all the time, and you're always trying to do things with my hair. Well, I'm sorry about that, Milo, but your mom is the one that wants me to do this because it's for your health, for your happiness. Oh, I'm not too happy right now. We always talk like that, my husband and I, where the dog, we create dog voices, if that's even a dog voice. and then we answer, I don't know. A little more scissoring here. The flatter you leave the comb on the body, the shorter you'll be cutting. So if I was to just bring the comb like this and he had a lot of hair, I'd be cutting here, right? So the hair would be longer. Yeah. And so if you're cutting shorter, you're going to flatten out your comb. And all I'm doing is just getting the edges here so that can blend in. You can actually do the whole cut like that if you want. I just prefer doing it the old-fashioned way. Well, actually, scissors must be the old-fashioned way. The clipper became our old-fashioned way, I guess. Okay, guys, so I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. You can also join my memberships if you want to watch a full grooming session. I only do the full grooming sessions for members now. And if ever you want to come join me on my gardening channel, that would be Backyard Gardening with Elizabeth Jenn. So I'm going to finish this up and I'm going to call his mom. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.
Hey there, pet parents and grooming gurus. If you enjoyed my tail-wagging transformations and want more tips to keep your furry friends looking fabulous, just hit that subscribe button. Remember, every click helps spread the love and lathers of grooming joy. Subscribe now and let's embark on this fluffy journey together.